Welcome to Epic Deals. After numerous hours of researching and analysing, we're going to break down this top list to make sure that you are getting the epic deal. Honestly saying, our team reads a lot of user-based reviews, analyse pro cons and make a smart selection so that you can make better buying decisions. Just make sure to check the product links in the description. Let's get started.
Here we present the 5 best wireless doorbell. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. SadoTech Wireless Doorbell. The SadoTech Wireless Doorbell has the option to connect to multiple devices from the manufacturer, like motion sensors or alarms to provide you with next-level smart home security. Or if you have multiple entrances to your living or working space, you can connect multiple doorbells each with their own chime so you know exactly which door needs attending. The doorbell kit comes with a battery-powered transmitter, screws, adhesive tape for wall mounting, and the receiver which can be simply plugged into any wall outlet, allowing you to start using the device right away. Number 2. AVANTEK Wireless Doorbell. The wireless doorbell from AVANTEK is perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their home with some new technology. This weatherproof doorbell can be installed securely with screws, included or stuck to an exterior wall using an adhesive strip, also included giving you the option to set it up quickly and easily when it arrives. The 1,000 feet range ensures that no matter where you are in your home, the receiver will notify you when the doorbell is triggered, so long as it's plugged into a wall outlet. Number 3. TeckNet WA658 Wireless Doorbell. The TeckNet wireless doorbell offers 32 chimes to choose from and 4 volume settings, giving you plenty of options from customization. After attaching the transmitter to the outside wall with screws or adhesive tape, you can plug in the receiver anywhere within a 1,000 feet area to start using the device immediately. While the product is weatherproof, it might not be best suited to particularly harsh and wet weather conditions for a prolonged period of time. If, however, your climate is mostly dry or you're setting it up in sheltered areas, this could work for you. Number 4. Secrui Waterproof Mini Wireless Doorbell. The Secrui Waterproof Mini Wireless Doorbell is a small, modern-looking, and powerful piece of tech which is guaranteed to get your attention. With 32 chimes available, a mute mode, and 5 volume levels, there are plenty of customization options to choose from. You'll also never miss a delivery again thanks to its 1,000-foot operating range and max volume of 120 decibels. But, if one receiver isn't enough, you have the option of adding another one to the package, making it perfect for larger spaces with multiple floors. Number 5. GE 19297 Wireless Doorbell Kit. The General Electric wireless doorbell is perfect for individuals looking for a simple, easy-to-use doorbell. While the device requires screws for wall mounting and batteries for power, sadly, none of which are included, it's straightforward to use after setup and you can even add more doorbells to this device if you need them. With 8 standard doorbell chimes available and 4 volume settings, you have options to choose the best settings for tastes and needs. Just make sure to keep the receiver within 150 foot of the doorbells to ensure the device connect and so you can hear every ring at your door.
Thanks for stopping by. Please like this video if you enjoyed and subscribe to our channel for the new videos. Pitch any opinion, question or advice in the comment box.